Alright, me and Chadwick are on the Russian right now, and we're gonna go fish the Kenai and the Russian, I guess, for some reds. So, I don't know, stay tuned. We'll show you how to do it. We're gonna floss them.
Put some split shot on here. Use about 3/8 of an ounce in the current that we're fishing here right now. Getting this down. Get this fly down, going horizontal through, in the mouth, hook them. Make it a legal hook. Using, technically on these fly rods, if you rigged up red, you can just take 40-pound mono, reel the whole thing up, hook the fly on, because you're just snagging these. Really, it's just about getting the right weight and the right current.
Huh? I just don't know if he darts, you know.
Got him! Right up.
Dropped out right in the net.
Oh my gosh.
That's cool. Roll that up for the picture.
Alright. Kenai reds.
I got that.
I got me a Kenai red coming on here. AKAs.
I don't know if you can bring it closer to shore. The whole video and try to net this fish. There he is. Right in the snout. It's a little hard with the little net. There we go. That takes some skill.
It does.
It is a little redder. It's still good eating.
Oh yeah, good eating, but I see it had some red on it, didn't it?
What do you have to say?
Well,
2 and 1. He's beat me.
this is fun.
The little tip is you put your finger here in the gills. Just cut it out like that. Bleeds it out. Crank her up. Can you pull it towards shore? Bastard. Scared of me. What do you gotta say?
Alright.
Legal hook.
A little pink.
Huh? That's a little red.